Welcome to the Storyteller's Path.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Emma. It's nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. Are you shopping today?
Yes, I am. I need a new pair of shoes. What about you?
I'm looking for a birthday gift for my sister.
That's nice. What is she like? She loves books and cute bags.
I think there's a great gift shop on the second floor.
Really? Let's go there together.
Sure.
Buddy, do you shop here often?
Yes, I do. This mall has many good stores.
I like this mall too. It's clean and not too crowded today.
Yes, it's a perfect look. I found a beautiful handbag.
It looks amazing. Your sister will love it.
I hope so. Did you buy your shoes?
Yes, they're very comfortable.
Great choice.
Thanks. Are you hungry now?
Yes, a little. Let's have some coffee.
Good idea. There's a cafe over there.
I also want a chocolate muffin.
I'll have a cappuccino and a sandwich. Shopping is always more fun with a friend.
I agree. We should come here again next weekend.
Definitely. See you next time.
Bye, Emma. Have a great day.
Bye, Alex. Take care.